Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much to each and every new subscriber that has joined us. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. To all the return subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. As you can hear guys, there's echo because I'm in my bathroom and we are trying to renovate this bathroom. So today I want to go and do some shopping. It's a combined bathroom in a toilet. So today I'm going to look for a toilet and a sink. We also need to put cabinetry behind me. So yes, before we go and shop, I want to show you how the bathroom looks right now. Our tiles are round. I'll show you a photo, a before video of how it looked before. And there was also PCV cap at the floor, but that we got rid of it. Let me show you the before, and then we can get into the video. Hey friends, so the bathroom is almost coming through. It's almost ready. I'm so excited. I love how it's turning out. Oh, you guys, my bath times are going to be an experience. So I remember the last time we talked, I told you guys that I'm going to shop for a toilet. I went to Makeover in town and I couldn't get a toilet that I really liked. I also went to Builders before they shut down. Even there I couldn't get the toilet. The toilets that I was getting there, they were quite expensive. They were going from 29,000, 30,000. So yeah, I also went to Kijabi and I also couldn't get a toilet that I liked here either. We ended up buying this toilet all the way from Northern Bypass. There's a store there, there's a hardware there that sells tiles, toilets and all that. That's where we also got the tiles from, the floor tiles and also the wall tiles. Can't remember the name of the shop, but I'll put it here. So yes, so the only thing remaining is that we need to fix a shower head, and yes, and then I also need to get some soap holders, those racks. We wanted to do a niche, the one where you drill the wall, and we didn't do that. So I'm going to get racks for soap dishes, shower gels and all that. Yes, we're also going to add a mirror there and a sink and some cabinets. I'll show you guys the kind of sink with what I'll show you in the next video. Also, we're going to put some more shelves here. Yes, not really shelves, cabinets. So yeah, and then after that, I think that will be done. Oh, not yet. We also removed the door. As you can see, we removed the old door, so we are going to have a sliding door. Also here on this entrance, for the entrance to the shower place, I can either leave it that way, the entrance, or I can add a shower curtain. I'll see. I must get a very nice one that will be aesthetically pleasing. We're also going to put a film here, just maybe a meter, to cover, you know, the goodies. So yeah, you guys, I can't wait for this bathroom to get completely done. I just can't wait, but so far so good. I just can't wait. I can't wait to use this bathroom. We're already using the toilet, so yeah, I just can't wait to shower in here. I can't wait to decorate and to do all those good things here. Oh, you guys, this project has taken so long. One, it's because of Fundi. I think the previous Fundi that we had so many projects, so every time he was meant to come and finish the job, he was engaged elsewhere. Also, it's not cheap, guys. Buy someone to do it bit by bit, but if you have the money, go ahead and go all out. So yeah, you guys, I just can't wait. I can't wait. As you can tell, this project has taken long because when I did the intro for this video, I had not even cut my hair, so you can tell it's been long. It's been long, and we're in June. Today is actually June 24th, so you can tell. And the project, I think the project started. When did it start? Maybe March or late Feb. For the wall, but for the roof we started last year because we were doing some other changes on the other part of the house, which I'll show you later in a future video. Yes, we are doing bits by bits. We are doing a house reno bit by bit, since it's expensive. So, and we don't have that money. We don't know that money, so we're doing bit by bit. So you guys, I just can't wait to share the final review of this video. So keep on watching and stay tuned. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up. Yes, I'll also share a number. If you're interested, you can inbox me a number of the contractor who was doing this. I believe he's done a very good job. He's very neat. His job is very neat. So far so good. Also, in future we might change the window, but not now. For now, that will do. We might change it to something else, maybe something modern, but for now that will do. So yes, that's that. I just can't wait, you guys. I can't wait. So far so good. Please make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up, share with a friend, comment. So yeah, see you guys.